Boys and girls, it's Mrs. Berman. Welcome to another edition of Distance Library. Today, I'm not going to be reading a story to you. What I'm going to be doing is sharing a resource that you can use at home to do research for your papers, maybe an animal report, or if you're in the 5th grade, maybe you're doing an Explorer report or a state report. Um, it's called World Books. When Mrs. Berman was a young girl, we didn't have the internet. Imagine that. We had to use something called World Books or encyclopedias. Encyclopedias or World Books have pretty much gone the way of the dodo with the internet. However, we have an online version of World Books, which I think you will find very helpful. And I'd like to go ahead and share my screen with you and show you how to get there from home. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and you will see that we are on Google. Now, Google is a great source for resources. However, boys and girls, not everything you find on the internet is kid appropriate. And so I really want to caution you with using Google to make sure that you are on kid-friendly sites. Now, when I take you to World Books, that's something you won't have to worry about, nor will your parents. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to Washoe County School District's website. And you can see I already have it in here. I'm just going to click on the district website, and I'm going to go to the home page. From the home page, boys and girls, I'm going to go to departments. And from departments, I am going to scroll down and go to library services. Once I get to library services, I'm going to scroll down a little bit further, and you're going to see quick links. Now, World Books is listed right here, but I want to show you that Donner Springs has an actual website attached to their Destiny page, or the library software that I use to check out books to you, boys and girls. So if I click on school libraries, I, of course, am going to pick Donner Springs Elementary School. And what I want you to see here, boys and girls, is all of the different resources that are available to you while you're at home. It's kind of a one-stop shop. We've got links to our website here. We've got links to virtual learning sites, some virtual tours if you've ever wanted to go to Mars. Washoe County Public Library, boys and girls, if you want to get a digital library card, it's available to you right here. We've got some free reading sites along with Mrs. Berman's Pink Chair Read Alouds. If you're looking to do some coding or typing, you've got options here. I'm going to skip over our databases and come back to them, boys and girls. But here, we've got some great resources for your parents, and then also teacher resources. And here are those great state facts if you're in the 5th grade and you're doing a state report, along with our Nevada Young Reader Award nominee books for 2021. If we go back to our databases, today we're going to be focused on World Books. So I'm going to have you click on World Books. Now, boys and girls, mine automatically populates. You're going to have to do one additional step at home. You're going to need a username and a password. I will go ahead and put that in the link, but your username is Washoe, all lowercase letters, W-A-S-H-O-E, and your password is Nevada. Again, all lowercase, N-E-V-A-D-A. Once you go ahead and put that username and password in, you should then get this screen. And you will notice there are different platforms or products. There's an early learning that's based for kind of our pre-K, kinder, first graders. We've got kids, which is really 2nd grade through 5th grade. And then students, again, totally appropriate for third, fourth, and fifth graders, and our advanced is more for middle and high. We also have an encyclopedia that is in Spanish for any of our Spanish-speaking families. Some dramatic learning, which are plays that are available online, and then timelines. Boys and girls, I'd like you to focus on kids and students. So if you click on kids, this is what you're going to see. It's just like Google, but completely kid-friendly. We have a search bar here that you can type in. It'll start auto-populating. Oh, polar bears, there they are. I can go ahead and click on it. And my articles will come up. I can go ahead and read my article. And if the text is a little bit too difficult for me, I can go ahead and push on the button and it will read it to me.
Bear of the North. Polar bears live.
Once I'm done reading this article, boys and girls, if I want a little bit more information, I can come down here and view more information in World Book Student. If I click on that, it will then take me to the student site. I can go ahead, hit read more, and I get more information about my polar bear. You can always use, boys and girls, your back arrow. And it'll take you back to World Book Kids. If you're ever wanting to get back to the homepage and you're not sure how, you can click right here where it says World Book Kids, and it'll take you right back. You also have this wonderful tool, this Explore tool, where you can go in and you can dig into these different categories a little bit more. So boys and girls, this is just a very brief explanation of World Books. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen now. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and you can either put them in the comments below this video, or you can have your parents or yourselves send me an email to nberman, that's BUHRMANN @washoeschools.net, and I'd be happy to answer any of those questions for you. But I'd like you to take some time, get familiar with the Destiny website for Donner Springs Elementary School, and also more importantly, World Books. It's good to see you all, boys and girls. I wish we were here together, but until then, stay safe, stay responsible, respectful scholars, and always, boys and girls, always stay kind. Good to see you.